that is known as Fibonacci series. As you know, Fibonacci series is nothing but if you try to sum these two digits, whatever we are getting, that is what we are putting next. So any number we are getting based on the sum of previous two numbers. 13 how you received it? 5 plus 18, 13. 8 how you received it? 3 plus 5, 8 we received it. 5 how to received it? 2 plus 3, 5 we received it. Same this series is I want to generate here using our while loop. I want to generate it. This is second scenario in the while loop, second example of the while loop. Let us go and try to do this one. Let us go and try to do this one. So Pibo series, I want to generate it. What is that? Pibo series using while loop. Using while loop, we want to generate it. Now, before going for this pivot series, I would like to ask you a few questions. If I written a comma b is equal to 1 comma 2, then what is the value of the a? 1. What is the value of the b? 2. This concept is known as unpacking even or multiple values assignment, we can say. Multiple values assignment. In a single line, I can allocate multiple values to the multiple variables. Respective positions will take the respective values. Okay, even we are aware of it, a comma b is equal to, if I write 10 comma 20, which is known as the concept of, what is this? Unpack. Here also we are getting a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20, we are trying to get it. So in a single line, we can go and we can allocate multiple variables. Okay, we got that point that we are going to use in our pivot series, we are going to use it. We are going to use in our pivot series, we are going to use it. Okay, now first I need to access here a number from the user. So I am trying to provide here, this is the number what I am trying to provide in the runtime. One number I am accepting from the user. Please enter a number for pivot series. Up to what number you want it, that you have to enter it. Then I am trying to allocate here two values to the variables a comma b is equal to 0 comma 1. Then I am validating while b is less than n, then make it as true, enter into the while loop. Whatever right now we have the b that I want to store into the list, I want to store it. For this, even I am trying to create here one empty list I am creating. Result is equal to, we are creating one empty list. One empty list I am creating here. Then that into that empty list, whatever value is available in the B, that value I am trying to append it. We are good with the list append method. So I am trying to use here append method. We are trying to use here append method and are passing here B value, we are passing it. Now, once we got the B, I am trying to change here A and B values, we are changing. We are passing B value to the A. And we are passing B is equal to A plus B, we are passing. This is the only logic, this is the logic we need to understand. Okay, then this loop will be continuously running till the condition is fails. Let us try to execute it and observe how it is working. For example, I given here 20, then enter. We can notice I am trying to provide here RS. What is the values we got it? 1 1, then 2, 1 plus 1 is what? 2, 1 plus 2 is what? 3, 2 plus 3 is what? 5, 3 plus 5 is what? 8, 5 plus 8 is what? 30. Are you getting my point? Now here, this line will be taking the values from previous line. Sixth line, these two statements, whatever available, allocation will run in parallel mode, it is going to run. In parallel mode, it is going to run. What is the meaning of in parallel mode is, if you first time it is running, what is the value of the A? 0. What is the value of the B? 1. Now, if you are in order to calculate this A plus B, what you are going to write here? Till here, we can see what is the value of the A till here. Loop 1. We are seeing the value of the A is equal to what? 0. What is the value of the B? 1. Now A plus B is equal to 0 plus 1, we are going to take it, or as B is already passed to the A, 1 we are going to take it. Whatever we have in the sixth line, that only we have to take it. These two will go parallel mode. These two assignments will go in parallel mode. That means previous to this line, whatever values are available, those values only it is going to take it. Okay. Now that's what the main logic what you need to follow here. Let us go and try to execute here one more time. For example, I am giving here 200 I am giving. Then if you execute here RS, I am able to see, 200. And if I try to execute here RS, whatever we have it, we'll able to see up to 200. We are seeing Fibo series elements, we are seeing it. Is it clear? Anyone has any questions, or is it clear? Okay. Now, the next one we need to understand is break. So, what do you mean by break? We need to understand. First, try to practice this pivot series. Then we'll go for the break statement, how to use within the while. We'll try to see it in the coming session.